1997 Chevrolet Camaro SS. 1997 Chevrolet Camaro SS engine, 5.7-liter V8. Transmission, 6-speed MT. Power, 310 horsepower. Torque, 325 lb-ft. As with the Pontiac Firebird Trans Am mentioned above, third and fourth generation Chevrolet Camaros are generally pretty affordable classics. Even clean examples of the IROC Z usually change hands for $15,000 to $25,000. According to Classic.com, fourth generation Camaro SS models average around $24,305 across the production run from 1997 to 2002. However, the 1997 model year stands out, averaging $32,869, thanks to the release of the 30th Anniversary Edition, celebrating 3 decades of Camaro heritage. What made the 1997 Camaro SS 30th Anniversary Special wasn't just the milestone, it was the exclusive styling package and its rarity. Painted in Arctic white with hugger orange stripes, the look was a clear tribute to the legendary 1969 Indy 500 pace car Camaros. Inside, buyers found white leather upholstery with orange striping and embroidered 30th anniversary logos, along with unique badging that immediately set the car apart. Performance was equally impressive. Under the hood sat the 5.7-liter LT1 V8, rated at 305 horsepower, with SLP engineering offering optional upgrades that could push output higher. With the available 6-speed manual, the SS delivered 0 to 60 miles per hour in the mid-5-second range and quarter-mile runs in the high 13s, making it one of the most capable pony cars of its era. Values reflect its desirability. Hagerty actually values the 1997 Camaro SS 30th Anniversary Edition higher than its Pontiac counterpart, placing excellent examples at $49,800 and pristine Concours cars at $65,200. This makes it one of the most collectible modern Camaros and a standout among late 90s muscle cars. Today, the 1997 Camaro SS 30th Anniversary serves as both a tribute to Chevy's muscle car legacy and a legitimate modern collectible, combining retro-inspired looks, strong performance, and increasing rarity.